Hello, hello, hello. This is Angie the Coder coming to you from my coding loft here in beautiful North Carolina. And I just want to do a really quick intro video to welcome you coders to my YouTube channel, the Angie the Coder YouTube channel, and to tell you a little bit about me and then to, tell you all about what to expect from this YouTube channel and to ask you to participate. So here we go. A little bit about me. There I am. Oh my word, that's not the best picture in the world. Not the most attractive, but it is Angie the Coder. And that is, that's what I look like. This is me talking to you through my little dirty microphone there. And a little bit about me. Well, I got CPC certified in 1995. I'm been mostly doing physician coding all this time, except for the last almost 3 years. I have done some hospital-based coding, which is what I've been doing for the last almost 3 years, as I just said. And a lot of my work has been compliance related, especially physician compliance related. And I work for 3 large teaching hospital systems. In the last 2 years, almost 3 years, I've been doing facility-based CCI coding for a wonderful, wonderful company. I'm not going to call them by name because I don't know how appropriate that is, but I love my company and I'm working with one of the nicest hospital systems in the country, one of the largest and nicest hospital systems, just fantastic people. I'm loving it. So the little bit about the lighter side or the outside of coding side of Angie the Coder, just to tell you a little bit about me. I'm happily married. I have 2 fantastic kids. I have 2 dogs and a cat, and the dogs will probably have cameos occasionally on the videos. And the cat, he's pretty quiet and shy. You won't see him, but you will probably hear the dogs occasionally and see them in videos because they're always around. My husband and I own an RV, and we love to travel and hope to, I hope to do some coding and traveling when it's time to retire. Instead of actually just retiring, I'd like to get in my RV and with my husband and travel the country and go out and shake some coding hands and shake the hands of some coders and do some more public speaking. I haven't done any in a while, but I used to do a lot of public speaking and just go out there and mingle with other coders and maybe do a little coding work, but I don't plan on quitting anytime soon. Alright, so you're probably wondering, Angie the Coder, why in the world do you have a YouTube channel? What's the purpose of this whole thing? Mostly I have a YouTube channel because I'm a coding geek. I love doing this. I love doing it at work, and I like talking about it after work. And, well, if you're a coder, a medical coder, the loved ones in your lives don't get what you do most of the time. Most of the time they just look at you like, what are you talking about when you start talking about what what you've done at work. I'll try to explain to my husband or my family, what I've been doing, and they just look at me like, first of all, boring, and second of all, yeah, we don't understand all that. So I'm a coding geek, but I like talking to other coding geeks. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to have a channel. I love to teach and share information, but I believe that knowledge is a two-way street. I think knowledge is power, but it's not as powerful if you just hold it to yourself. If you know something about something, there's a gift in sharing that with others and also accepting other people's knowledge in return. So I think that knowledge should flow in and out of your life. I think people should give their knowledge, and then they should generously give it, and then be very receptive about accepting knowledge from others. I just think it makes the life a lot better, and it makes you a better coder. It makes you, I don't know, I love to teach and I love to share. And I'm looking for my tribe, in case you haven't noticed that. I'm looking for other coding geeks to talk to. So that's the reason why I started this channel, so that I can share what I know, I can learn from others, and then I can, meet like-minded coding geeks to have, lots of stimulating conversations about the stuff that we love that other people don't always understand. So, how can you, all those other wonderful coders out there, get involved? Well, you can watch my videos, but that's kind of passive involvement. But if you do you, if just, if you want to just watch the videos, and I appreciate that. Every time somebody watches a video, I am psyched. But you can get further involved if you like. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. But you might want to send me an email or something and tell me what you hated about the video. I guess I'm probably opening myself up for a lot of negativity when I say that. But negativity comes whether you open yourself up to it or not. But criticism's okay. Constructive criticism to me is a good thing. It's a positive thing. So give me that thumbs up if I do a great job. But if I don't hesitate to give me the thumbs down, and feel free to reach out to me, explain why you thought it was a thumbs down video. Like I said, criticism is good, especially if it's constructive. And if you love what I'm doing, I'd love it if you would subscribe, because it helps the channel. I can make my videos longer. I can do all kind of cool stuff once I think it's 2,000 subscribers, and I can't remember how many views you have to have. But the more subscribers I have, the more things I can offer as a YouTube content creator. So if you like my videos, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And when you subscribe, all you have to do is hit the little subscribe button. And if you want to be notified whenever I drop a new video, hit the little bell, and the bell will let you know. It'll notify you whenever a new video comes out. I'm going to try to get them out. I'm trying to work towards getting them out on a certain schedule, maybe a certain day of the week that I drop videos. But the bell helps a lot, because then you get notified automatically. You don't have to worry about what day I drop videos. And, it's just kind of cool. And leave a comment. I already talked about that before, but feel free to leave comments. You can leave positive affirmation, hey, I liked your video, or leave a comment. You can ask questions there. You can do all kind of things with those comments. I know you can be as nasty as you want to, but I really, really prefer that if you left comments, that they would be meaningful comments that I can do something with, that I can, I want to be of help here. So, if you leave a comment, if at all possible, make it constructive. I really appreciate that. And, I'm looking forward to hearing your comments and being able to respond back. And if you don't want to leave a comment, there's another option. You can send me an email. The email address that I have is angiethecoder@gmail.com. It's super easy to remember. When you get my age, you need something super easy to remember. So that's how you can get in touch with me. Feel free to shoot me an email. Now, if you're going to send me an email asking coding questions, I'll do my best to answer them. I'm going to be honest. I do certain things for a living all day long. So sometimes, like if you were to reach out to me and say, could you code this anesthesia record? I might be like, kind of rusty at that. But I'll try. Anyway, but what I would like to ask is, if you email me a question or suggestion, let me know if it's okay to mention your name in the video. So say you send me a great coding question and I decide to do a video on that, and I decide to answer your question in a video, I would like to call you out by name, but you need to let me know if that's okay, because I really don't want to embarrass anybody. So if you send me a question or suggestion, I may want to use it in the video, but I do want you to let me know if you're uncomfortable with me mentioning your name. Please say so. And I guess that's just about it. That, in a nutshell, is the Angie the Coder YouTube channel. I hope you like it. I hope you'll come back again and again. And really, really look forward to sharing coding videos with you. You guys have a great night. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, could you give it a thumbs up? I really would appreciate that. It really helps a lot. And if you really, really liked it, could you please think about subscribing to the channel? Because, if I don't have subscribers, I'm just sort of sitting here talking to myself. And we don't want that now, do we?